Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will demonstrate how to construct a 150-degree angle without using a protractor. Before we begin, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please do so, and remember to like and share this video to stay updated with my latest tutorials. This tutorial will guide you on how to construct a 150-degree angle without using a protractor. Let's get started. Draw a straight line using a ruler and pencil. I am using an HB pencil for this tutorial. Mark a point A on the line. Measure any length from point A. In this tutorial, I will use 10 centimeters and label the end point B. Mark a point anywhere between A and B and label it O. Position the compass at point O, open it to a convenient radius, and draw an arc that intersects line AB. Using the same radius, mark 3 points along the arc. Note, each arc represents a 60-degree angle. Place the compass at the last marked point and draw another arc. Repeat this step on the new arc to create another one. At this stage, you should have 3 60-degree angles. Once again, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I encourage you to do so. Don't forget to like and share this video. To divide the final 60-degree angle into two equal 30-degree angles, proceed as follows. Position the compass at point C and draw an arc. Without changing the radius, place the compass at point D and draw another arc to intersect the first one. Using a ruler and pencil, draw a line from point O through the intersection, forming two 30-degree angles. Combine the first 30-degree angle with the two remaining 60-degree angles to obtain a 150-degree angle. To verify your construction, use a protractor to measure the angle and confirm that it is indeed 150 degrees. This completes the construction of a 150-degree angle without using a protractor. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to support my content and stay updated on future videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Until then, keep practicing and refining your construction skills. Goodbye.